The topic I chose to talk about is abortion issues. My name is Haley Mutz. My professor is Professor Errol Wilson, and the class is American Government. What is abortion? Abortion is a surgery or procedure that ends and terminates a pregnancy. People ask, why do women get these abortions? Women get these abortions because they no longer want to be pregnant. They may have a serious medical condition that makes pregnancy life-threatening to them, or the fetus may have a serious medical condition. And there are many other reasons as well as to why women get these abortions. An important court case within abortions was Roe v. Wade. Roe v. Wade gave women the constitutional right to an abortion. It was signed in 1973 and it was overturned in 2022. Why are women opposed to these abortions? People are opposed to these abortions because they say it's the killing of an unborn child. What happens if abortion is taken away? Being denied an abortion comes with substantial health risks, especially for vulnerable groups. The risk of maternal death is 15 times higher for carrying a pregnancy to term than it is for abortion, and pregnancy-related complications are 2 to more than 25 times higher for pregnancies ending in birth compared to abortion. I got this fact from the article A Year Without Roe. Was affected by the overturning of Roe v. Wade and abortions in general. This affects not only pregnant women, but all women considering abortion as a form of health care. If abortion was so easily overturned, just imagine all the other things for women that could be overturned. Do abortions help or hurt women? With allowing women to abortions, it helps them in many ways. It can save their lives. It is an essential component of sexual and reproductive health, and abortion is a matter of bodily anatomy. How much do abortions typically cost? This chart from 2023 can help show it. The hospital stay is $5,000, consultation fees $800 to $1,000, medications $10,000 to $15,000, OT charge $3,750, surgeon fees $7,500, anesthesiologist fees $2,250, diagnostic testing $7,000 to $10,000. There are also health clinics that can offer cheaper prices, and some insurances can also cover portions of abortion costs as well. Some of the benefits of abortion women have stated are that they are finally able to focus on other children financially. They are preventing health-related conditions, partner-related issues, and many more other factors. What are the pros of abortions? Abortion being a safe medical procedure that can save lives. By getting an abortion the legal way, death rates are only 0.7% for every 100,000 abortions. By getting abortions illegally, the death rates are now increasing by 20%. So many people's lives could be saved if abortion was allowed. Abortion is also a fundamental human right. Women should be allowed to have abortions as for being able to help them in many ways. What are the cons of abortion? People believe that life begins at conception, making abortion murder. It is said that life begins at conception, and people who undergo abortions are committing murders. The alternatives to abortion: people have the ability to choose adoption if they do not wish to keep the child. My reason for choosing this topic: I chose to talk about abortions because I feel that abortion should be talked about more. Ever since the banning of Roe v. Wade, I personally haven't heard as much talk about abortions. I feel as they should not be shunned away, and we should, as a country, must fight to have the right to abortion back. My opinion: I'm all in favor for abortions. I personally believe that abortions are a very fundamental access to have. Abortion is health care that could save many lives. I believe the overturning of Roe v. Wade is a horrible mistake, as to it doesn't just take away abortions, it takes away some of women's rights, with these rights being fought for by many women before us. Recent state restrictions, coupled with ongoing efforts, curtail access for medication abortion pills nationwide are an attempt to interfere with the delivery of evidence-based healthcare and control pregnant people's bodies with harmful consequences for individuals and population health. I got that quote from A Year Without Roe. To conclude all of this, abortion should be illegal. Women should have the correct access and information to abortion, considering it is a basic human right. What could be done about this? The overturning of Roe v. Wade should be brought back into consideration. Women should have more access and resources to abortions, and abortion shouldn't be as frowned upon as it is now. I have 3 references that I use for my PowerPoints, one of them being A Year Without Roe, another one being Everyday Health, and another one being Doctors Without Borders. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed.